if you don't mind, as long as you're not mine anymore. I don't care if your love's blind, just keep walking out my door. You can't be real happy after all you've done. Now begging me to go back. Sorry, it's too late.
And you took it all for granted, so bye, baby girl. Wasting my time to a two-time, bitch. I don't wanna see you anymore. Give me back the car keys, I don't want your kiss. You said you'll never last, so F you when you promise you have my heart.
When I let my guard down,
introduce you to the whole town. But now, who you and why you talking to me? Be with him all day, then sleeping with me. And now I'm letting you free, so now you can see all the things that you've lost, all the things are from me.
GTFO, I don't need explanation. I had enough of you in this second situation. Yes, I have loved you so bad, but past is past now.
Don't want you back. Baby, you know it's too late. It's just too late. It's just too late. Baby, I don't want you back. Don't want you back. Don't want you back. Baby, you know it's too late. It's just too late. It's just too late.
We fight but never break up. I kiss you when you wake up. I thought it lasts forever, but forever's just a setup. You're pretty without makeup, even when we make love. But deep inside you're ugly. Yes, you love me, but not enough. I'm tired of you when you last. Stop playing with my feelings, just roll out like a dice. Cause you try to be nice, not only for twice. I'm waiting for your karma and I hope that it flies.
I hate you.